Hi, I'm Chris Scheckinger. I work for CBiz, Meyerhoff and McCann. I'm a business development manager, and I help businesses reduce their state and local tax burdens. The last 4 years have been fairly stagnant due to the economy, and so the valuations really haven't changed. This year there's been an uptick in the economy, and so the counties around the country are reacting accordingly, and in turn raising values, which then will raise your taxes. CBiz would look at your property, determine whether or not it's fairly assessed. If it's fairly assessed, nothing else really needs to be done. If we feel it's unfairly assessed, we would obviously sit down with you, talk to you about our thoughts as to why it is overassessed, and with your input, decide whether or not to take it to the next level, which is, either informal appeals or taking it to the Court of Tax Appeals. CBiz only bills if we're successful, simply meaning if we're able to reduce your real estate taxes, we would take a percentage of what we save you, but otherwise, if we're not successful or there's no opportunity for tax savings, you don't pay us anything. CBiz is a publicly traded company. I think we're the 7th largest firm now in the country, and we're held to a higher standard because of our publicly traded status. In addition, we have a national tax practice, and so we have resources all over the country that can help with these types of services, specifically around the real estate values and helping companies reduce those. Simply call the number at the bottom of the screen or reach out to me on LinkedIn and Twitter. I'd be happy to talk to you more about how CBiz and our state and local tax practice can help you reduce your tax burdens.